It's very high altitude, I feel.
You feel or you know?
Well, I hope, because I'm out of breath.
I'm tired, dude.
Moving is hard.
Well, you move and then you feel like you make a dent, and then things just come out of the woodworks, and
It's
you're like,
like-
how did we have so much crap? I wouldn't be surprised if TLC knocked on our door and were like, hey, do you want to be the next episode for Hoarders? It's exhausting. Brad, our buddy, helped us with the last of the big loads.
Him and his big muscles.
We moved couches, and our headboard is surprisingly heavy. We've never had a headboard before.
I've never had a bed frame before. Or a box spring.
Sam is a pilgrim. I found her in the Amish country. What are you doing?
It's not being touched
It's not.
by the floor.
Okay, I guess that's good logic. I don't know.
Yeah.
You might as well just get a spoon. You are an animal.
I would really appreciate this. Katie would really appreciate this.
Why? Did y'all talk about eating things on floors?
No, because waste not, want not.
Okay.
I'm not into the headboard. It's
I like
It's
it.
too much.
I think it's great.
It's too much.
Well, we have 12 days left until we're in here, until we move out. You know, cleaning the apartment and doing all that other stuff is just mundane. I just don't see a meme to like vlog about us cleaning, you know? I just don't.
No one wants.
No one wants to see us cleaning our apartment. So we have 12 days left. It's getting real fast.
My sister asked me, when are you going to feel like all the logistical things are like done? And I was like, when I'm listening to my first song on Spotify on the plane sitting down.
Wow.
That's when I think I'm going to have like a physiological, psychological exhale.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
I don't know when I'm gonna have one. Maybe getting a coffee in the airport.
Yeah, like that thing you do to signify it's begun.
Yeah. Well, we're getting excited and moving, and
Yeah, they'll
Getting
believe it.
ready.
We're getting excited, moving.
it's early.
Yay.
It's morning.
It's 10:15.
It's earlier. But yeah, we did some cool things this past weekend. We went to Ruth Lake. I bet you guys didn't know. We have a van. A few years ago, I built out a van, and it was something that I wanted to do for the longest time.
Since
Before
the
it-
day he was born.
Yeah, probably before it was even cool to have a van.
That's what they all say.
But yeah, I built it out. It's just the best thing I've ever done. It has just about everything. So yeah, what's your impression?
I'm really bad at that. I love it. I like it more than I thought I would.
Can you give us a little tour?
This is the kitchen. This is where we've been. This is where we sleep and lounge. This is where we keep our stuffs. This is where Johnny keeps his stuff. This is where I keep my stuff. And this is where I hijack Johnny's other closet. This is our bookshelf, i.e. library. Whoop.
That's pretty
Do
cool.
some work, have a meal.
We'll have to do a van episode one day.
We'll totally do a van episode one day.
Maybe after Europe. But I lived in here for about a year, traveling around and stuff, and I will never sell it.
It's very high altitude, I feel.
You feel or you know?
Well, I hope, because I'm out of breath. I feel we're lost.
The snow hasn't melted yet.
No, crunch, crunch.
Yeah, just getting in the swing of outdoor climbing. I think we're gonna do a lot of that in Europe, but the elevation is.
Yeah, we're huffing and puffing. The elevation is.
We're about 10,600
ripping me a
feet.
new one.
When you're on the wall, you almost feel like you're getting pumped a little faster and you're huffing a lot. But yeah, it's good. Climbing up here in the Uintas is always a magical place. We're right beside a really cool lake, Ruth Lake. It's really pretty. It's actually frozen over right now because there's a lot of snow. But yeah, it's super fun. It's about to rain on us.
In the Uintas. It may or may not rain on us, but I do love the rain, so yay.
Great.
Great.
It's like riding a cowboy. Woo!
Lift your feet up.
Climbing was great.
Yeah, it was really fun. I felt like we both found our flow a little bit better and were much more confident and therefore competent on the wall. You know, I think it's always surprising because in the gym, the draws are usually a consistent distance from each other and there's a consistent terrain, I guess you could call it, in the gym between the draws. But when you're outside, it's like, oh, where is the next one? How far is it? How comfortable do I feel with how far it is?
Yeah.
Do I want to come down right now? Just kind of a don't look down mentality.
Do you want to talk about how you've been training and how you've been working on your clipping and stuff?
Yeah, so I think I mentioned this last time, starting with the new coach, and she's been really trying to integrate kind of settling my nervous system every time I find a position to clip.
Yeah, I had a chance to watch you a couple days ago. It was amazing. You did really well. We were yelling at her on the wall, and yeah, it was awesome.
Don't take!
You were like, don't take. Yeah. No, it was great. You're doing really good.
Thank you.
We wanted to come on here just to kind of give you guys an update of our life. Yeah, I mean, I think this video is actually going to be shorter than most.
You always say that.
Yeah, but I mean, I really think this is a real thing. What's your question?
My question for you is, what are you most nervous about for our journey in and throughout Europe and Asia between June 18th and the end of October, not including your competitions? That's not.
Traveling internationally, if you tie driving into it, I mean, you just never know. It's all new to you. Right? So it's just like kind of traveling and getting there safely. What about you?
I'm most curious in how to kind of continue being focused and grounded to continue working while moving around.
Yeah, it's gonna be tough. Now I'm nervous about that too, so thank you.
You know, just a question to exacerbate both of our nerves.
If you guys have any questions for us, leave questions in the comments below.
Yeah.
Check out the descriptions.
Like, subscribe, join us for the ride.
We'll see you later.
Okay.
Bye.